Hello, fifth graders! Okay, today we'll be learning the order of the planets in the Milky Way galaxy. Alright, so let's start off. So, what we're going to start off with is an introduction video, and it's a song about the planets. And so, I need everyone to have their listening ears open, alright? And we need to pay attention to the video. Alright.
There are 8 planets in the solar system. We revolve around the sun. Join us to learn about the different planets. Now sing along and have some fun. My name is Mercury. I'm the second hottest planet, the closest one to the sun. A year on my surface is 88 days. I'm the smallest, but I'm lots of fun. My name is Venus. I'm the hottest planet, but the second planet from the sun. I'm the brightest planet in our solar system, and I'm too hot for anyone. My name is Earth. I'm the planet you live on, the third planet from the sun. I'm the only planet with organic life, so take care of me, 'cause we're all one. My name is Mars. I am red in color. I'm the fourth planet from the sun. I have the highest mountain in our solar system, a volcano named Olympus Mons. There are 8 planets in the solar system. We revolve around the sun. Join us to learn about the different planets. Now sing along and have some fun. My name is Jupiter. I am covered in clouds. I'm the 5th planet from the sun. My giant red spot is a raging storm. As for size, I'm the biggest one. My name is Saturn. I am brown in color. I'm the 6th planet from the sun. My outer rings are extremely thin. They're made of dust and icy chunks. My name's Uranus. I am blue in color. I'm the 7th planet from the sun. Humans have named me the icy planet because I am the coldest one. My name is Neptune. I am blue in color. I'm the 8th planet from the sun. I have too many storms in my atmosphere, and I'm the furthest planet from the sun. There are 8 planets in the solar system. We revolve around the sun. Join us to learn about the different planets. Now sing along and have some fun.
Alright, I hope y'all enjoyed that video. And now let's start our lecture. Alright, to start off, we have the sun. The sun is a star and not a planet. Again, the sun is a star and not a planet. And it is found at the center of our solar system. Next, we have Mercury and Venus. Mercury is the first planet from the sun in our solar system. Then next we have Venus. Venus is the second planet in the solar system from the sun. And Venus, even though it's not directly right next to the sun like Mercury, is actually our hottest planet. Next we have Earth and Mars. Earth is the third planet from the sun in the solar system, and it's the only planet in the solar system that has living organisms on it and can withstand having living organisms on it. Next, we have Mars. Mars is the 4th planet from the sun, and it actually has one of the highest mountains on it in the solar system. Next, we have Jupiter and Saturn. Jupiter is our fifth planet from the sun. And if you look on the picture of Jupiter, there's a little reddish orange kind of like hole on Jupiter, and that's actually a raging storm that's on Jupiter. Next is Saturn. Saturn is our sixth planet from the sun, and if you see on the outside of Saturn, it has a ring going around it. And that ring is actually made of dust and icy chunks, and it's very thin. Next, we have Uranus and Neptune. Uranus is the seventh planet from the sun in our solar system, and it's actually considered the coldest planet in our solar system. Then next, we have Neptune. Neptune is our last planet from the sun, and it's the eighth planet, and it's the furthest from the sun. Some fun facts I wanted to let y'all know, and some of these will be on the quiz. Pluto was no longer considered a planet in August of 2006. So this happened because there's 3 criteria that a planet has to have to be considered a planet. And Pluto is a dwarf planet, but not a planet. And there's the 3 criteria. I don't quite remember what they are. Y'all can ask me in class. I'll look it up. But all I remember is Pluto only fit 2 of the 3, thus making it not a planet, but a dwarf planet. Alright, next, the gas giants in our solar system include Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Our smallest planet is Mercury, and our largest planet is Jupiter. Alrighty. Now let's review. We're going to take an assessment after this, but don't stress. I'm going to go through it, and the assessment that I'm going to be taking on this lecture will actually help you review for your actual assessment that we'll take in class. And if you're still online, then you'll be taking it online. Alright. So our first planet is Mercury. Our second planet is Venus. Our third planet is Earth. Our fourth planet is Mars. Our fifth planet is Jupiter. Our sixth planet is Saturn. Our seventh is Uranus. And our eighth is Neptune. Alright. So you should be able to access this link because I have to repost the link. I'm so sorry about that. So I'm going to have to copy my link. And I'm just going to go through this assessment to kind of give y'all another review over the order of the planets. So, for my name, I'll be putting Miss Leveling, but you'll be putting yours. Alright. Which of the following is the third planet in our solar system? Well, we have Mercury, then we have Venus, and then we have Earth. Alright. Alrighty, next question. Which of the following planets is the fifth planet in our solar system? We have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter. So our answer is Jupiter. Alright, this one's a little tricky. So which of the following planets are the gas planets? Or gas giants, as I should say. Well, it's not Earth, because Earth is solid. If you think about it, Earth is solid, so it can't move. It's compact. If it's a liquid, then it can move around a little bit. But if it's a gas, you have a bunch of room to move around in the molecules. So, our planets that are compact and solids are Earth, Mercury, Venus, and Mars. So that leaves Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Another easy way to remember which ones are the gas giants is the last 4 planets in the order of the planets are gas giants. And that's a little hard. It might be on your assessment or it might not. I might count it as bonus points because it's not part of our lesson, but I want y'all to understand that. Alrighty, next. Which of the following is the smallest planet in our solar system? And that will be Mercury. Alrighty, which planet is the largest in our solar system? And so it's not going to be Earth and it's not going to be Neptune. It's Jupiter. And we went over this. Which of the following is the closest to the sun? So what's our first planet? Mercury. Alrighty. We said this a couple times. What is the name of the galaxy that the planets are in? The Sombrero Galaxy, the Milky Way Galaxy, the Whirlpool Galaxy, or the Star Wars Galaxy? Milky Way. It's the Milky Way Galaxy. Alrighty, how many planets are in our solar system? Well, we have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. So we have eight planets in our solar system. Alright, we just basically did this one, so let's do it again. We have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, we forgot the N on Saturn, and Neptune. Alrighty. And on your assessment, I will ask you this. It won't affect your grade in any way. So from 1 to 5, 1 being you're not comfortable at all, and 5 to very comfortable, I want you to rate how comfortable you are with the planets. So I'm going to give myself a 5, but you can give yourself a 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. It will not be held against you. Alright, remember, hopefully your listening ears were on. For our bonus question and extra points, what planet was recently discovered as not being a planet a couple years ago? Alright, what was it? Pluto. Pluto was recently discovered in 2006 that it's not a planet and it is a dwarf planet, alright? So remember, keep your listening ears on when you're watching this video. Alright, let's submit it and let's see what we got. Alright, so far so good. Alrighty, so far we're at 100. Yeah. Well, I don't know why that one was marked incorrect. It might have been the way I put my answer. But Pluto was the planet that recently was discovered as not being a planet. Alrighty, guys. So I just really wanted to briefly go over it, and we're going to take that assessment later this week in class, alright? And I'll post this video so y'all can watch it and review and study. If you have any questions, you can email me or come to my class. I think that's about it for today, guys. Let's see. Again, if you need any help, contact me and I'll be here. And y'all have an amazing day, and I hope y'all liked learning about the order of the planets.